corpse.
I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom logo for your channel, just like the other one on how to make a custom profile. Today we're going to be making this, so let's get started. First, what you want to do is press create new image, go 800 width and 800 height, and then click transparent. And also, if any of this helps, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment. So first what you want to do is hit the maximize to make it more bigger. Now what you want to do is the text tool, and then put one letter down first and make it to the size of 313, and then just move it wherever you want, and then change the font to basically anything that works good for you. For me, I'm just going to use Call-Ups of Duty. And then change it to white, and then the same again with the second letter of your channel name, which would be probably something other than my channel. So I'm just going to put a D, change it to white, and then there you go. Then what you want to do next is go over to the layers tool right here and make sure it's rasterized for both of them. Then what you want to do is go to layer, and then open up an image from pictures. What I went with was the polygon texture, which you can find on Google. I went with this. You could choose anything from out of this or anything like that. So then what you want to do is go to edit, free transform, put it over top of the letter that you're working on, make it bigger, turn it if you would like, and then what you want to do is click off and hit apply changes, yes. And then what you want to do is hit the magic wand here and then find your letter. By clicking on the layer right here, and then there you go. Then what you want to do is invert selection, and then go back to layer 3 and then press delete, which will make it look like this. What I'm going to do now is delete the letter, so it will save like this, don't worry. And then click off the magic wand and then do that, and then do the same for the next letter in your user. If you messed up, you can always undo by clicking on layer 3, open the same thing again. And then put it over top just like so. Tilt it again, and then apply changes, yes. Then click on your letter, and then get the magic wand, and then find it again. Invert selection, and then go back to layer, for me it's layer 6, press delete, and then there you go. Delete the letter if you, if you want to. In my opinion, it works best. And then click off the magic wand, and then there you go. Go back to your layers and free transform again and move it down to about the center. Apply changes for both of them. Drag it down to about right here. Then apply changes, yes. Then what you want to do is go to layer styles right here, and then put an inner glow on it, which will make it look much better. Go opacity 100, hardness 10, and change it to white. And then there you go. Do the same for both layers. Make sure they're white, and then there you go. Now what you want to do is go to Layer, Open Image, which you can find backgrounds on Google. I went with the space background, like this. Free transform to the same size of the page, apply changes, and then drag it down past your layers to show up like so. If you want to find the space background like mine, just look up space background, like so, and choose any. It could be any background of your choice, like I said before. Now what you want to do is make sure that it's completely good. Go to layers, edit, free transform, move it to the way that you would like. Do the same for both. And then there you have it. There's your personal logo. You can also change the color of them too, I'm pretty sure, by adjustment. And then brightness and contrast, you can change it to any color that you would like so, like this. That's kind of cool. And then you can do it the same for the other one. And then there you have it, your personal own logo. You can also probably do the same with the background too, by brightness and contrast. Yeah, okay. And then there you go, your personal logo. Then go to File, save it, call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it logo. Now you have your thing saved. Now what you want to do is go to your channel. And then go to customize your channel. Click on your profile picture. Edit. And then click on the Google picture. And then upload a new photo of your logo. And then there you go. There you have it. And then you can press done. And then there you go. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it's better than the last one. Now you know how to make your own logo. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.